Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to sign into myGov with a passkey. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and log in into your myGov account. Then you want to go and click on your My Account section right here on the top right side, beside the arrow, this arrow right here. Then you want to go and click on Account Settings. Once you click on Account Settings, here you can see all your settings. You can simply click on Manage beside the Passkeys section. After you click on it here, you can enter your password, and this is a necessary step. Then click on Next. Once you click on Next, here you can see this button, Create Passkey. Click on Create Passkey, then click on Next. After that, you want to choose the type of passkey that you want to apply. Let's say that I'm using the iPad, so I'm gonna click on the option in the middle. But here in my case, I'm using the PC, so I simply can click on iCloud keychain. But here in my case, I'm using an Apple device right now, so I'm gonna set the first option. Then I'm gonna click on continue. And now here, as you can see, you can even choose the second option or the security key if you want to use an external security key like the one used in laptops, for example. And you want to scan this QR code with your phone's camera, then use your other device to save a passkey for login.mygov.au. And now you want to use Face ID to sign in. After that, you can have this message, success, MyGov passkey 1 created. You can now sign into MyGov using the passkey. And after that, you want to go. And when you sign in, you'll have to choose sign in with passkey in order to use your passkey to enter the account with your passkey. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.